Hi guys, this is Tom, and I'm making this video just to show that I know how to make a video, and it's kind of cool because now I do. So here we go. We as nursing educators to be have moved into the 21st century of education. Well, at least part of us for the past couple months have moved into the 21st century. Some of us are already conducting formal education. Personally, mine is always just one-on-one, one-on-three, just impromptu stuff. Um, So little instructional sessions on like how epidurals work, blocking peg signals, all that type of stuff, how the epidural pumps work, and reminding nurses that they can actually change epidural bags. So what I learned is that my job entails, um, among other things, changing all the epidural bags and troubleshooting them. And it is more than an 8-hour job. It's more than this I can take care of. So I've been trying to teach the RNs in the hospital how to do this. And they aren't the most, some want to and others refuse. And we're just making it policy. Unfortunately, it's taken a year to create the policy. Um, so moving forward, next week, we're going to send out a video on how to change an epidural bag and how to manage the pump. So it is not the most difficult thing in the world to do. They understand that it is necessary, but if I send them out a video, the video will be able to be watched and rewatched and watched later on. Then I can have that'll be my pre-assignment, and then they will be also able to um, contact me and ask questions. I visit the floors all the time. They know who I am. Um, they're open to change. They just want to make sure that they're allowed to do it. Nobody wants to do anything without being allowed. The state says they're allowed to do it. So I'm going to send out a video to them. I'm going to make this next week, and it'll show them how to work. So, Robin, Jeanette, thank you so much for successfully completing this course with me. Dr. Thies, thank you so much. I've learned a lot. I honestly have. So it's so much easier to carry a thumb drive around than it is to carry an entire poster board. And thank you.